95% of the students are unable to find the square roots of these two simple numbers. They prefer prime factorization, but the division method is the easiest method to solve these two questions. Now have a look at this. First one is 961, the second one is 1024. In the division method, you have to first see the number of digits. Either it is even or it is odd. In the first one, we have the number in the odd 1, 2, 3. Whenever the number of digits is in odd term, we will take the only first one. Here we have to deal in the squares, means 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, like this. Here we can see that we have the 9, so we will write the 3 square. 3 times 3, it becomes 9. Now subtract as per the division rules. Now it remains only 61. You have to add these two, 3 plus 3. When you will add these two, it will become here 6. Now you have to put a number here. The same number would be put here. Now you can see, if I write here 60 times 0 is 0, 61 times 1 is 61, 62 times 2 is 124. Now you can see that I have got the number 61. So what I will do, I will write here 1 and 1 here, and simple I will get here 61. Now subtracting these, I find 0. It means 31 is the square root of this number 961. Now come at 1024. You can see here the number of digits is in even 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we will select these two, 10, and leave these two. For your convenience, you can put here power and put bar. Now you can see the number in terms of a square near to 10 is 9. What we will do? 3 times 3 is 9. When you will subtract 10 minus 9, it will become 1, and 2 and 4 would be followed by. Now again add these two, 3 plus 3, 6. Again make a blank space here, a blank space here. You have to remember the rule that you have to put the same number here and the same number here. Now from this table you can see 60 times 0 is 0, 61 times 1 is 61, 62 times 2 is 124. You can see here we have got 124. So just put 2 here and 2 here. You will get 124, 0, 0, 0. It means 32 is the square root of 1024. Any question you may ask, you may